Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is compromise. It is pronounced compromise, and it is spelt C-O-M-P-R-O-M-I-S-E. Think com and then promise. A compromise is an agreement or a settlement of a dispute that is reached by each side making concessions and meeting in the middle. For example, the siblings compromised and shared the chocolate bar. Compromise comes from the Latin word compromissus, meaning to make a mutual promise. By compromising, you are agreeing to a mutual settlement or promise in order to avoid further disagreement or problems, so its meaning is relatively unchanged. When Elizabeth I became Queen of England in November 1558, she was met by a country divided over religion. In the decades before her reign, England's religion had alternated between two different religions, Catholicism and Protestantism, leaving many confused and unhappy. So when Elizabeth became queen, she was faced with a problem. How could she please everyone? Any ideas? She compromised, of course. Elizabeth offered and created a middle way, a new religious settlement which incorporated parts of both Catholicism and Protestantism together. She compromised and ensured that everyone was happy by making concessions on both sides. Compromise can be used as both a noun and a verb. For example, you could say, the two armies reached a compromise in order to avoid war. Here it's being used as a noun. Or, we compromised and agreed to go to the cinema instead of my favorite restaurant. Here it is being used as a verb. Compromise is defined in the dictionary as an agreement in an argument in which the people involved reduce their demands or change their opinion in order to agree. Compromise's synonyms include agreement, understanding, settlement, bargain, and negotiate. Antonyms include confuse, disarrange, upset, contest, differ, disagree, dispute, dissent, and quarrel. See if you can compromise over something today. If you and a friend or sibling are arguing over a toy or game, try and reach a compromise and play together. Either way, make sure to use your new word today, compromise. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.